Hello, my dear friend, and welcome back to this quiet, peaceful space. I am so glad that you decided to take a small moment for yourself right now, leaving behind the busy, noisy world outside. Please sit down comfortably, adjust your soft pillow, and let your shoulders drop gently away from your ears. Let us take a deep, slow breath together, breathing in calm air and breathing out all tension. Today, I want to talk about something very important that happens to almost everyone, yet so few people really understand it. Have you ever spent a whole day doing almost nothing, only to feel completely exhausted by evening? Maybe you stayed inside your quiet house all day long, resting on the comfortable sofa, scrolling on your phone, or watching television programs. You did not run any difficult errands, you did not clean the house, and you did not do any heavy physical work. On paper, it looks like a day of total rest and complete relaxation. But as the sun slowly goes down and the sky turns dark, your arms feel heavy, your head feels thick, and your physical energy is completely gone. When this happens, a small voice inside your mind might start to complain or criticize you in an unkind way. You might say to yourself, "Why am I so tired right now? I have been sitting here all day, so I have no real right to feel this exhausted." You might even feel a little bit guilty or ashamed, as if you were being lazy or unproductive. But I am here to tell you gently and warmly that those unkind thoughts are simply not true, my friend. Your tired feelings are completely real and valid, and there is a very clear reason why you feel this way today. Physical tiredness is only one kind of fatigue, but mental and emotional tiredness are just as real, just as heavy, and just as deeply felt. To truly understand why this happens, we have to look gently inside the human brain and how it works every day. Even when your hands are completely still and your body is lying down peacefully, your mind is constantly working behind the scenes without taking a single break. Think about all the quiet, subtle thoughts that run through your head during a quiet day at home. You might be remembering something difficult from yesterday, or worrying quietly about something you need to do tomorrow or next week. You might be replaying old conversations in your mind, wondering if you said the right thing or made a mistake. All these quiet, background thoughts act like small fires that continuously burn away your valuable mental energy throughout the day. Every single choice you make during the day also uses up a little bit of your brain power and energy. Doctors, scientists, and psychologists call this common phenomenon decision fatigue, and it affects us more than we think. Even tiny, simple choices, like deciding what to eat for lunch, what video to click on, or whether to answer a simple message, require effort. When you make hundreds of these small choices all day long, your brain becomes weary from constantly choosing. Another huge reason for mental fatigue in our modern world is our constant connection to bright digital screens. When you spend a quiet day at home resting, you probably look at your phone, television, or computer quite often without thinking about it. Every time you scroll through social media, read news articles, or watch short videos, your eyes see thousands of words, bright colors, images, and quick movements. Your brain tries very hard to process every single piece of information it sees. This leads to a state that experts call sensory overstimulation. Imagine a laptop computer running 30 different complex programs in the background at the exact same time. It will slow down and get warm, even if no one is typing on the keyboard. That is exactly what happens to your wonderful brain when you consume lots of digital content on a resting day. Your physical body was sitting comfortably on the sofa, but your mind was working at full speed the entire time. We must also consider the heavy weight of your hidden emotions and quiet feelings. Emotional energy is a powerful force within us, and holding on to stress or worry consumes a vast amount of internal strength and energy. Perhaps you have been carrying some sadness, anxiety, or general stress over the past few weeks or months. Even when you try not to think about those feelings, your heart and mind work continuously to contain them and keep you safe. Living with unspoken worries or silent emotional stress is very much like holding a glass of water with an outstretched arm. At first, the glass feels light and easy to carry, but if you hold it for hours without putting it down, your arm begins to ache deeply. So you see, doing nothing physically does not mean doing nothing mentally, or emotionally. You were actually working very hard on the inside all day long, even if you did not move your feet very far or leave your living room. It is so important to practice deep forgiveness and patience toward yourself on days when you feel this kind of fatigue. Please remember that rest is a natural, essential human need, not a special reward that you must earn through hard labor. You do not need to prove your worth as a human being by producing constant results or being busy every single hour of the day. Your true value remains completely constant, whether you are running a fast marathon or resting quietly in your bed. When you notice that you are feeling mentally drained and tired, try to give yourself true, restorative rest. True rest is very different from scrolling through social media feeds or watching fast, intense television shows. True rest gives your mind a real, peaceful chance to slow down, process its thoughts, and recharge its delicate batteries. You can start by placing your digital devices in another room or simply turning them off for 1 full hour. Try closing your eyes gently and listening carefully to the subtle, quiet sounds around you right now. The soft hum of the house, the wind moving outside the window, or the gentle rhythm of your own breathing. Let your thoughts float away like soft white clouds. If you feel comfortable doing so, step outside for a short, slow walk without carrying your mobile phone or wearing headphones. Pay attention to the colors of the green leaves, the cool air on your face, and the firm feeling of the earth beneath your feet. Pour yourself a fresh, cool glass of water and drink it very slowly, tasting every calm sip. Feed your body simple, gentle food that makes you feel nourished, warm, grounded, and comfortable. Remind yourself often that rest is an active, necessary part of staying healthy, happy, and balanced. Just as a beautiful garden needs the quiet winter season to grow fresh flowers in the spring, your mind needs quiet moments to feel strong again. Let us take another slow, gentle breath together right now, letting go of any remaining tension in your body. Inhale the calm, quiet air and exhale all the heavy thoughts you have been carrying all day long. Notice how your chest rises and falls with each breath like gentle waves on a quiet, peaceful shore. You do not have to solve any problems right now, and you do not have to plan for tomorrow at this very moment. Give yourself full permission to simply exist in this calm moment without any expectations or demands. You are safe here in this quiet space, and you are allowed to rest your weary mind whenever you need to. Think of your energy like a gentle river that flows naturally throughout your life. Sometimes the river flows quickly and strongly, and other times it moves very slowly and quietly through a calm, shady valley. Both ways of flowing are natural, necessary, and beautiful in their own special way. Honor the slow days just as much as you honor the active days, because both are part of your life journey. If you feel tired today after doing nothing, smile gently at yourself and whisper, "My mind was busy today," and that is okay. Treat yourself with the same loving kindness you would offer to a dear friend who comes to you feeling tired. Tomorrow will arrive in its own time, bringing new energy, fresh thoughts, and gentle new opportunities. But right now, in this quiet moment, your only job is to let yourself rest completely and peacefully. You are doing wonderful work, my dear friend, simply by taking care of your heart, mind, and spirit. Thank you for spending this peaceful time with me today, and please take gentle, loving care of yourself tonight. Until we meet again in our next quiet reflection, stay safe, stay gentle with yourself, and sleep peacefully tonight. Good night, my friend.